morning. How y'all doing? You guys having a good morning so far? What up, Scott? What up, Big Folk Red in the building? Oh, Ewan's in the house. Good morning, Jose. What's up, everybody? What's good? What's good? What's up, Austin? Good morning, bro. That air, ooh. That air, that Texas morning air, huh? Oh. Good old Texas. Oh. Jiff 3365. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome in. Like the stream, guys, as you get settled into the stream here today. It is Thursday morning, and it's gonna be a great day here, man. We got unemployment claims coming in today, so we'll have some news coming around 8:30, and I think gold is setting up really nice. I just took a quick look at it, and I think we're gonna have a great day here today. Let me get Zoom all set up here, and then we'll get started. How's everyone feeling? Everybody doing good? Say good morning by liking the stream for me. All right. Who else we got in here? Greenery. What's up, brother? Mans, good morning, bro. Z Gamer, good morning. Good morning, Pablo. Adam, what's up, bro? AJ, good morning. Futures yesterday. Looking forward to today. Hey, me too. All right. Let me send this link out, and then we're good to go. How you guys doing though? Was anybody with us during Asian last night? We streamed Asian session for a little bit. It was a good time, good vibes, got in, got out. Discord. All right. Perfect. All right, cool. So, what is good? Bro? Good morning, everyone. Yep. So, hope you guys are doing good. Today is a Thursday here. It's another beautiful day, man. To come at the desk, do what we love to do, sit down, master this craft, and make a good living doing it. So, today's another day to be professional, right? It's another day to be disciplined to what we know works best. Right? When we wait for what we know works best, trades just seem to fall right into our lap. And that's how every day goes. That's how every day goes when you're a professional and disciplined trader and when you have a plan. When you don't have a plan, man, you're taking trades all morning long, all day long. When you have a plan, you're waiting specifically for that plan and that plan only. And you execute when it comes about, and that's how you win here, man. That's how you win. So let's always keep that in mind. Let's remember why we're here, why we're doing what we're doing, and how to do it professionally. And that means we do that, we're gonna have a great day here today. So unemployment claims again coming in at 8:30. We should have a lot of volume here today. You got news all throughout the session here, so should be pretty good. Let's take a look at gold here. Let's remove these drawings. Let's take a look. So pretty much what happened yesterday is when we came to the desk, right, we had this nice engulfing candle from, what was that, Monday? Tuesday, Wednesday? No, Tuesday. From Tuesday, right? So Tuesday came down and literally just duplicated this same exact candle, right? It closed up right here. The support was down here, so we did have room to drive here yesterday. And you know, the candle did exactly what we expected that candle to do. Now, the one question later on in the session that I put in the Discord was, will the daily candle now close below this support right here? Because if it closes below that support, check this out. Now what we're doing is we're breaking back into this new range here. So if we're closing below and breaking back into this new range, there's a very high chance that price will fill the range here. And we see this daily candle now looking really good, really good. So what I love is that when we come to the charts here for the New York session and we can find some sort of retracement and resistance being formed, so that way we can get into a position here as this daily candle starts to make its move back down to re-break the lows to fill this range here, right? This is going to be our first daily target here. If we do break these wicks and push down, there is another new target. But this is going to be our focus point today, right? This is where we want to see gold get down to, which is what, 1968 here. So gold pushed down, it came up, created a top wick, I believe, during London session last night, and then came down as well, broke the lows. Very good sign, broke the lows. And if this was a 30-minute time frame, you would be feeling really good about this position right now, right? Because this candle is going to come back down, re-break the lows. Now, how are we going to find positions, right? So our main objective here today is looking for ways to get into gold sells, right? So if we look at the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look here. So you have a support right here, which gold did close below. But if we look a little bit further left, I noticed we also have a support right here as well, where gold closed right at it, right? If we move this white line down to take a look at this support, gold closed right at that support here. So the 1 hour as well has been pushing up. Now this is where I want to see some sort of resistance, right? If we can start to find resistance here and have that resistance formed up for us during the NY Open, I think that's going to be our call to get back into sells here as we drive down, re-break the lows, and continue down here today. So let's take a look at how we're going to find positions, right? So again, 4 hours at support, closed right at it. Let me get rid of these. 1 hour time frame is pushing up. Notice how we broke the high here, but now we're flipping back bearish. So we don't know exactly what's going to happen here, right? All we do know is we do have a support right here. If we take a look at the 30-minute time frame, it looks like we're creating a resistance. We've opened up on this new hourly candle with no top wick just yet. So it just opened right now. So let's see what happens here. We may be able to get some pre-NY positions here, but we're going to need a top wick. We're going to need a top wick because currently right now we're looking for that resistance, right? We're looking for, we push down, we're having our pullback. We're looking for the resistance on the lower time frame to confirm that this daily candle will now continue pushing down. Right now, if we're looking for targets here today, let's mark these off. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour. Looking left. Yeah, that looks clean. And then if we look at the 30-minute, same thing, looks pretty clean. So we can target initially 1966 here on if we do get this this resistance form now. So sells below 74, 571, or range to buy, or what I was saying is once we find a support, we can sell from that support, but not this one. This 30-minute candle, number one, it's a 30-minute time frame. Number two, there's no top wick. So NY Open is in the next hourly candle. I'm curious to see if we can create a top wick here, because if we can create a top wick, we can enter on the break of the lows and we could be in this position for the NY Open and all that good stuff. So yeah, so sells below 1974 here. And then, you also have sells below here as well. So we just got to wait for a resistance and we're good to go. And then in terms of buys here, buys, daily highs are all the way up here. Buys are a bit sketchy here today, gang. Not really interested in gold buys. I guess you could say if you do get a range 2 above this level right here, then we could look for buys. But yeah, we could look for range 2 buys above here, or sells anywhere where this resistance is being formed up at, or we get more clean sells below 74 here today. Cool. So today it's a little different, because usually I'm saying today I will be staying completely out of this range, right? You usually hear me say it's gonna be a no trade range, but this could be a potential trade range here. We just really need, I think this would have been a position I would have been open to taking if we did have a top wick on this candle, but we just kind of running right now with no top wick. So nothing we can do as you know, as traders who trade the way we trade. There's nothing that we can do at this point outside of just waiting, right? So we got to wait, either wait for that top wick, wait for this 1 hour to close, one or the other. But I got a good feeling about the NY Open here today, that we should be able to drive, get into positions before news, and then hold for runners. And we may get some big time runners today, right? I said we would get runners on Tuesday, and Tuesday we got some serious runners. Let me do this. But yeah, that's going to be the day here on gold. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You know, range. Oh, I'm sorry. We got to also put range 2 buys here, right? So let me just. Let's see. Look at that. Sells below, range 2 buys above. Oh, 15-minute seller replay here. It's okay. It's okay. No top wick. Yeah, no top wick, no entry. What did I do here? Hey, Joe Stewart, good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. So yeah, that's gonna be the day here on gold. So anything below this 74,570 area looks pretty clean to come on down. That's what's that? Yeah, that looks pretty clean to come down. We're breaking through all this nasty wicks to the left hand side, closing below that support, and therefore we should continue down here to at least 1969, 1970 here today. Yeah, not bad. And the targets on buys, I mean, the first target is obviously going to be this 30 pip range here, and we'll look to target that. But yeah, we'll see. Let's see this 4 hour candle. So the 4 hour is getting ready to flip here as well. So yeah, just a little bit of patience and we should be able to, honestly, I like below 74 better, because at that point we're also breaking the 4 hour low now. After creating a nice steep top wick, we're closing below on the 1 hour, we're closing below on the 30-minute, closing below on the, well, the 15 is a little bit different, but the 1 hour and the 30, that I think is going to be good, and breaking 4 hour lows. So let's just sit tight and let price come to us. Cool. Nightbot. All right, cool. So let's take a look at pound yen also, and then we will chill out. All right. All right, so let's take a look at GJ, see how we closed yesterday. How we doing on this weekly time frame? See, we really need the weekly candle to close above that resistance there. We really don't want the candle to close right at it. We'll have a lot better direction if we can get a solid closure here above this this resistance here to the left. So we'll see what happens. We still got one more day for pound yen to see if we're going to close above that, but you have a resistance here, you have a support right here as well, and this is the range that you're in. We're pretty bullish. The daily candle did close above, right? We have a resistance right here. Let's take a look left, see what we got going on. Let's take a look, All right, not bad, not bad. So it looks like you have clean range on the daily time frame here to continue up until 174, 650 here today. So pretty clean range. I believe that is about 30 pips. About 30 pips. So yeah, you did get a closure above. You do have a very little top wick. Let me make sure. Oh no, okay, 300 pips. I'm sorry, I thought I was looking at gold still. Okay, so yeah, so we did close above on the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hours pushing down a little bit. You do have all these resistances right here that we're probably looking to come down to make a support. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. No top wick on this 1 hour candle either. This is actually not a bad play. Yeah, 1 hour is coming down. Let's take a look at the 30. How do we find positions here, right? So if we're looking for buys today based off the daily, then you need to see some sort of support, right? I believe we're going to need to see that either on a 1 hour or a 4 hour time frame here. This 4 hour may well just come push on down here today and close bearish, right? Being that we have very little top wick, but we are bullish. So let's see if we can look for buys. It would have to be buys, a new closure above, let's see. Yeah, you have this 15-minute resistance here. We don't really have the best price action because we're just straight pushing down. So we're gonna need I think we're gonna need some sort of support here. We gotta wait for a support on the 1 hour, the 4 hour. But where can we find that support? The nearest spot would be right down here. So right where these other supports were formed, if you can get a closure back above that and then break these highs and close above there, I think it's pretty decent. And what you're doing at this point is you're anticipating the daily candle to push up and flip bullish again, to continue up and tap into this 174, 600 area we talked about, right? So that's what we're expecting, this daily candle right now to just be forming a bottom wick and then re-break the highs to push up. So that's what I'm looking for. If we can't find that, then I think you got clean buys, clean sells here below 171.45. Boom, close below, close below, close below, pushed. Yeah, I think it's not bad. It's a pretty strong level there. So yeah, I think sells are good below there, and then buys, you really just need to create a range, right? That's it. You need to create some support. So maybe that's what we're going to be doing here on this 30-minute candle. But we'll put our range up here for now until we get some better price action here on pound yen. But yeah, look for buys above here, sells below this level here. Pretty simple. Like I said, probably won't be trading GJ today. I really want to see this weekly candle close tomorrow, and we'll have much better direction on pound yen. Right now it's a bit sloppy there on pound yen. So Yeah, gold, a little bit more locked in on gold here for sure. For sure. How's that 4-hour candle doing? Perfect. So yeah, that's it. That's the day. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, I'm not too sure what happened to my thumbnail here today. All right, cool. So, hey, we got 120 something people watching. We have how many likes? 42 likes. Hey, can we get some likes here? Can we get some likes while I go grab my excess, please? As John enters the building.
Good morning, Nick.
Good morning, John.
How you doing?
Doing great. Doing great, man.
What's up, chat? Good morning.
Chat is back a couple hours later.
Yep. Would have been in this if we would have had a top wick.
Yeah, we would have. If this thing had a top wick, we would have been in there like swimwear.
Definitely.
Oh, we gotta add Nightbot? Alright, bet. We'll add Nightbot. Did anyone else not get a notification the stream started this morning? Hopefully it was just on my end. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened with the stream, man. Thumbnail is all whacked out. I have no idea.
Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Austin. Good morning, Z Gamer. What up?
Z Gamer. Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
What's good, boys? How we day?
How we get?
How we doing? Bet, Sam. Yes, sir. Another day, right? Grateful. Grateful for another day to become a better trader. To professionalize our strategy and craft more. It's awesome. Yet another day to do it. Another day full of opportunities. Alright.
Full of them.
Hey, Nick's got that excess.
Man, I love Amazon. These dudes just delivered me a package before 7 a.m. I didn't even know they did that. They were like, we'll get it to you same day. But I ordered it too late. So then it was like, all right, we'll get it to you between 4 in the morning and 7.
That's the new mic, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller than I expected. I might have to order a different one.
Hey, good morning, Red FX.
Red FX is in the house. Get some scissors. Bleeder. How was London, John?
Good, no trades.
Nothing?
Nothing.
I seen that fake out happen that we called out.
Oh, what, for Asian? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that too. I left my charts exactly the same when I woke up. I saw it. Yes, onion play, but with no top wick. Would have been in this with a top wick.
All right. Honestly, close below that support would be a lot better anyway.
Yeah, breaking the daily lows.
Yeah.
Or even to just fill that wick. See, not leave runners.
Oh wow, this actually might be perfect.
Yep.
Okay, let's see here. Onion play is playing, yes, but no top wick. So it's not a true onion unless you got a top wick.
Yep. Need the setup, and then we need the entry. You got the setup, but you got no entry, so.
Yeah, yup. Yup.
But you already know what we got to do today. Just follow your plan. Stay disciplined and patient for your setups, and take what the market gives you. Right? That's all you got to do.
Is that really all we have to do?
Yes.
Oh my god. I've been complicating this thing.
Yeah, man. It's that simple. Just do that.
Wow. So I get paid to do nothing.
Yes, you get paid to just chill, sit there.
Wait, but how does that happen?
Chill. That's how it happens. You just wait. You wait when you wait for your setup to come for you. It comes to you, and then you get in. There's no need to get in without it coming to you first.
Wait, so I don't need to take like 10 or 15 trades a day?
No.
Oh wow.
1 or 2 trades a day.
Oh
That's all you
really?
need. Yeah.
Because I thought the more
Even
trades I
just
take,
one.
the more money I make, but for some reason I make no money.
No, the opposite.
Really? That would make sense onto why I blew all these accounts.
Yes, that makes sense. That's why you blew your account.
Oh.
Yep. So just wait for that setup, man.
So just wait for the setup. That's
Yes.
it.
And your entry.
So that's all you're telling me that's all I gotta do.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, man. It's a really chill job, you know.
Sheesh.
Job.
I've been doing this thing wrong. Yo, this thing. Thanks for the advice, man. I'm gonna practice that today.
Alright, but you're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Run it up, bro. Trust me, good things are gonna happen.
All right. Can't wait to tell my mama. My bad, guys. I'm just trying to put this thing together real quick. Gold, 30 minutes to the left-hand side support. GJ pumping, bro. Check GJ. Let's check it out. Let's check GJ. Oh, pumping. Yeah, we need a close here. 30-minute candle still open. Bro, what? This thing. Aha. Aha. Let's see if we plug it in, if the mic works. Hey Nick, quick question. If you have a setup for a celery play against a daily bias, would you take it or would you let it pass and wait for the range 2 to be formed? Hope you understand the question. Yeah, no, that's a good question. A lot of times I will take the celery play. In a way, that's considered a range 2 because let's say you have a 30-minute celery play and it looks something like this. On the 30-minute time frame, like you have a candle close above and then you have another candle close bearish above. What's happening here is that you're creating a new range, only it's on the lower time frame. So if it shows up as a celery on the 30-minute, I'll be glad to take it, because on the, let's say on the 5-minute, it's gonna look something like this, you know. I'll push up, boom, right? That's gonna be your candle here, and then what's gonna happen is on the 5-minute you're gonna get a resistance, and then you're gonna get a support. So in a way, it is on a lower. The only way I'll do this, I'll never do this just based off the 5-minute. I'll only do this if the 5 is reflecting a 30-minute celery, because what happens is now the candle closes, the new one opens up, creates its own bottom wick, the new 5-minute, and that's the 5-minute juicer right there, and that represents this new 30-minute candle. So what it'll look like on the 30-minute is this, right? This is our 30-minute time frame, but on the 5-minute we'll be getting that second range we're looking for. So yeah, so only on the celery play though. Like I'm not looking at the 5-minute to confirm my trade. I'm just looking at it to see how the celery play is forming up on that lower time frame. So yeah, so I would consider that a range 2. But again, it's got to be outside of the range. If it's still inside the range like this, then I wouldn't take that. If it looks like that at the end of the 30-minute candle, that's fine with me. I have no problem letting that trade go. We got to be like this, above the range.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo.
Sam.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, I get to say good morning.
Good morning, bro.
And put the BB&J down. Nah.
Put the BB&J down.
I didn't.
Freeze. Put the PB&J down.
Yeah. Okay. I'm resisting. Nah, you know what we got this morning though?
What do we got? What do we got, Sam? Whoa, farm life gang.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna see if this mic works real quick. Let me know if you guys hear me a little bit better.
Dude, I swear I was doing a lat spread yesterday, and I turned into a cow. I was like, all that dairy.
Yeah. Word.
Moo.
You know what? I'm gonna just do this after stream because I gotta hook it all up in settings. You got that moo, that PB and J.
Good morning, Z Gamer. Good
with the
morning, Scott.
mover.
Good morning, Austin.
Oh. Margin call for celery against daily bias if outside the range. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, yo, 156 watching, 77 likes. Oh, man. Come on,
Hey,
chat.
pick it up.
Hey, can we all like the stream at one time? Even I'ma like the stream real quick. And I'm usually the first guy to like the stream because, hey, you always gotta be the first guy to like your stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, if you don't like your own stuff,
Come on.
then like, why are you even doing it? You know?
100%.
But I haven't liked it yet, so there we go. Now I liked it. So let's see, we got 155 watching, 157, 90 likes. There we go, there we go. Appreciate you guys. And sub to the channel if you guys haven't subscribed yet. And come on, pull up every day, man. Let's get this thing right.
Facts.
Let's get trading right. Let's get more people financially free. More people being able to live life on their own terms, right? You may not have the Rolexes or the Lambos or the mansions just yet, but just imagine living life on your own terms. You know, living where you live, buying your wife a new car, you know, providing for the kids, whatever it is that you want to do, you can get it through trading. You just got to be a professional. If you're willing to be a professional and listen to your boss and your career and your job, then you should be more than happy to be a professional here in the markets. You know, this isn't a place where you come to just gamble money away that you work hard for, right? It's hard money that you work for. So let's get it growing. Let's get it invested for real. Oh yes, you can. Yeah, if you sent it in the traders chat room, let's take a look. Oh, it's a video.
When I first saw the video, I thought it was gonna be him walking out of the room. Mom, I blew that.
I blew my account.
That's loud.
Good morning, boys.
Good morning, Tandy.
Hey.
Yo, Tandy.
Good morning, Tandy.
Good morning, chat.
Chatty chat.
Like the haircut, John?
Yeah,
Oh,
chill,
thank you, bro.
Chill.
Appreciate you.
Suave.
Appreciate you.
Oh, you like that haircut? Yeah, huh?
Yeah, freaking suave.
Appreciate you. Thank you, bro.
What's up, Z Gamer?
Oh, I seen you in YouTube land yesterday, Tandy, last night.
Yeah.
I was
yeah,
like,
Z
hey,
Gamer. I was
Tandy.
like- I saw a little thing go up and it was like live. And I was like, ooh, okay. All right.
That's funny.
So, I literally watched you until I went to bed.
Oh, nice.
Just chilling.
All right, so we did get a 30-minute closure here, right at support. So nothing we can do at this point. We need to wait for NY Open here. We need to wait for the NY Open. 4 hour has flipped officially. For those who are taking positions off the 4 hour, you should be entered in at this point. Your stop should be kept up here at 1979.500, about 50 pips away. And your next target is 66 down here. So for those who are in off the 4 hour, good stuff, and buckle up. It should be a good ride. We're gonna wait for the 1 hour in the next 30-minute here, because we do want to see this 1 hour candle close below. And if we would have had a top wick on this candle, chat, man, we would have been in this.
Yeah, that would have been beautiful.
Yeah.
Good morning, Scott. You beautiful fool.
I'm from
I wish that,
Valencia.
When it first initially, I think it was. Wait, bro. Let me just take a deep breath. I'm thinking of a whole different day.
I messed you up with the Asian session.
What are you thinking of that trade that from like Wednesday or Tuesday?
Maybe. I think so.
Trades on trades on trades, man. Hey, we are 1,600 plus subscribers at this point. We are. Think about how quick we got from 1,000 to 1,600 than we did from 0 to 600.
Wow.
That's how momentum goes, gang. That's when you get the big mo on your side, and I'm just talking about subscribers. I'm talking about in your trading, right, or in your life in general. When you get momentum working in your favor, how did we get the momentum? We showed up consistently day in and day out. We did what we planned on doing. That's how momentum starts coming. And when momentum starts coming, it starts building and building and building and building, and then it takes on a life of its own. And at that point, nothing can stop it. Nothing. So build momentum in your life, right? Build momentum in your trading, build momentum in your fitness, build momentum in your diet, right? Build momentum, work on momentum in life. And guess what happens before momentum is built up? You really, really have to work, right? If you think about a rocket ship, when these things are taking off, most of the energy comes to actually get it off the ground, right? That's building the momentum for it. And then once it's up in the air, now it's just smooth sailing. Same thing with an airplane, right? That's why you see the pilots push until they're off the ground, because they need that momentum. But once that momentum's there, whew, man, life of its own, my friends. Life of its own. So, yeah, but pretty dope. Moving on to 2K real quick.
That's super awesome. Compound interest effect right there, dog.
Yeah, man. Yep.
Love it.
Same thing with your money, same thing with your account, same thing with chipping away at debt. If you can build momentum, the world is yours.
Yep. The first mill is always the hardest to get.
Oh yeah. The first mill gonna make you work. Sir, can
After that,
it's just
start making a lot more.
what does Think and Grow Rich say? When abundance finally comes to one, it comes in such great amounts of abundance that one wonders what could have actually been holding this back. That's how fast, that's how hard it comes in. It just, you're gonna wonder what was holding this back. Like whatever it was, the floodgate just opened. It opened. More equals more money. Can you clearly explain the top and bottom wick formation? Yeah, sure. So 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So this is what your standard bullish candle is going to look like, right? It's going to have a body, it's going to have a top wick, and it's going to have a bottom wick. 85% of candles are going to look like this. So if a candle starts pumping up and it doesn't have this bottom wick yet, there's an 85% chance that this candle could actually come back down now to create that bottom wick, right? To create this bottom wick. And that's why we never enter trades before that wick is formed, because what'll happen is you'll see it push up, but 85% of times it's going to come back down, create a bottom wick, right? AKA move bearish, right? All of a sudden you're going to be in a trade, and now the trade's going to be looking like this, right? Coming down to create a bottom wick, and then if it reflips and breaks the high, that's usually our entry. So you always need a top and bottom wick, because 85% of times it's gonna have that. Like you see how this candle had no top wick on it and it just drove down, now it's creating that top wick. So if you enter that trade on the break of this low here, well, you don't know where your stop loss is at that point, unless you just have stops somewhere, some random place. But if you enter on the break of this low, you go a couple pips in profit, and then it starts pulling back on you. And now you're in drawdown, and now you don't know whether or not the next candle is going to pump up, and then the next candle is going to pump up, and the next candle is going to pump up, right? You don't know that. So that's why we never enter on trades with sells with no top wick, because there's a very high chance. Now, it's not 100%, right? When I said 85, that still leaves 15%. So there's a 15% chance it can push in the direction it's going, and then there's an 85% chance that it's going to reverse on you. So you want to stack the edge in your favor there. So you don't want to be in on the 15% side. Yeah, that's rough. Same thing with bearish candles, right? Like for this example, this candle again broke the lows, pushed down with no top wick, and now you see it coming up to make the top wick. So especially when it's right out of support. Flow state, yeah. What's your reason you didn't enter the celery? Consider the 4-hour entry? Oh, because I understand that there's a 1-hour support here. So in order for the 4-hour to really like confidently be able to push down, you're gonna need to see a closure here, and there's a very strong support. So you're gonna need to see a closure below there. Yeah. Plus there's no top wick on this 1-hour candle either. So yeah. And we do have news coming in. So we have news and may want to push price up a little bit to create a steeper top wick on the daily. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right now, the 4-hour, I very rarely just base the trade off of a 4-hour time frame. If I'm getting in on a 4-hour, it's got to make sense on a 1-hour as well. And that just doesn't make sense. And it doesn't make sense on the 30-minute either, because we closed right at support there. Yeah, pros and cons, yep. Yeah, again, 4 hours always 4 hours a great time frame to look at, but not to base entries off, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm very you'll catch me on the 30-minute and the 1 hour 90% of the times. 30-minute, 1 hour is my sweet spot.
Sir.
Those are where you're gonna find the best
love
confirmations. What'd you say, bro?
You love that 1 hour.
Yeah, I think the 30-minute's probably my favorite. I think we get most of our entries on the 30-minute just due to NYSE and 8:30.
I think you look at structure.
Yeah. Yeah,
I like the 1 hour too. I really like it.
Yeah, it's such a clean time frame.
Like I said before, like if you literally had only one time, granted this is like all hypotheticals, this will never happen, so you have to use all your time frames, right?
Yeah.
But if you only could pick one, mine would be the 1 hour.
Yeah, that's true.
I got a better record on the 1 hour.
I really don't even want to say that, because now people will be like, but honestly 1 hour is a good time frame. So yeah, if y'all just start using that, maybe instead of the 1 minute, then
use the 1 hour instead of the one. I mean, look at the 5 right here. I mean, this, I don't need to see all that. You know?
It's choked up.
That's like
Yeah,
it's
and
like
it shows you way more opportunities, you know, than there is.
word shiny object syndrome.
Like, go to the 1 hour. It's just
Down
clean.
here. Would you rather look at this, or would you rather look at this?
Right.
Or this? I love the 30-minute. The 5 is
30
just
minute 1 hour.
too noisy, man.
Bread and butter. That's like peanut butter and jelly.
Ooh,
Jelly.
that's like lamb and
and
tuna
1 hour.
fish. Did you just say lamb and tuna fish? Yeah, the 1 minute, man. You want to lose a bunch of... I shouldn't even say that, because some people have mastered the 1 minute, which is amazing. But for me, and the way my brain operates, man, I don't need to see all that. You know when a person gives you like too much information? It's like TMI, man. Too much info.
Yep.
I'm good here. You didn't need to tell me all that. Nice sweater. Oh, you like my all black sweatshirt? Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. With the 4 hour, it would be more of a relaxed approach, not in and out so quickly. Yeah, it'd be a longer trade, longer time frame, for sure. I think a lot about how when I first started with you, how I had so many questions about the little nuances in the style. Now I love to hear your answer. You answer questions with the same answer in my head. Yeah, Scott, everyone should learn to be like Scott. He's a very good mentee, and he's not afraid to ask questions and get his questions answered. And when you're not afraid to do that, you get answers and you get improvements and you move forward in life.
Scott. He's a smart dude too, just smart. Dude, like, this is just, I don't know, being around stupid people for me just like irks me.
Yeah, Scott's a precious gem, bro. He's fucking, he blesses anybody that he gets in their life, yo. He's amazing.
Hey.
Dominant and rough.
W.
Yes.
Scotty W's. Yeah, you want to be like that. You want to be hungry. You know, when I was around my mentors, I was always hungry. I was always asking questions, always trying to get up close, right? Get involved, right? I tell you guys all the time, get involved in the chat. I used to, you know, one of the things that one of my mentors taught me was be a front row seater. Always be active, talking, you know, always be involved. That's how you win. That's how you, when you're a part of things, that's how you win with the winners, right? You don't want to just be a spectator, sit back, watch, and do your own thing. You want to get involved. You want to feel involved, and that happens when you get active in the chat. In our case, that happens by getting active in the chat.
And this is a perfect community too. I mean, everyone wants to have that community kind of involvement. So I mean, type up in the chat, yo.
Type it up. B, type it up. B.
We're here. We want family, more family. Grow this thing.
First time on the channel, enjoying the stream. Hey, welcome. Zulu. I shared my doubt in Discord. Can you please explain? Oh, yes, no problem. I'm in your channel through Raja Rakil. Great stuff, man. Keep it up. Thank you. Thank you. Discord. Stop the cat. Let me see here. Charts for stream. Let's take a look at AJ's got a chart here for us. Let's take a look, AJ. Let's brighten this up a little bit. So, you marked up as your support. What about this support level? Why you didn't consider this level? I marked this as my first TP, this level, but you pointed your chart at 66. Yeah, so that's because I'm looking at the overall daily. Where can the actual daily candle go, right? A part of our process here, gang, is looking at the daily and the 4 hour and anticipating where they can go, and then finding entries and executions on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes. So that, in a nutshell, that's what we do, right? We're looking at the daily candle. We're trying to see, hey, where can the daily candle go today? And where can the next 4 hour go? And that's our deal, right? That's kind of what our system is based upon. So some of these little 1 hour areas, what they'll be is they'll just be minor levels to go risk free at or secure partials at. But in terms of the support, this is going to be the most nearest support and the strongest one at that matter. It's also the break of the 4 hour lows. So this is the support that you want to see break here. If you understand candles and multiple time frames, what happens is you understand that this candle is pushing down, and it's obviously got to push back up before pushing down when you understand sessions and times and how gold likes to move. So right now, this wick, all that is we're expecting some sort of resistance to be formed, and then this candle to break these lows and continue down and push through these wicks that you see here, which are those minor supports on the 1 hour. So during times of volume, these supports get demolished. And that's why we always look to take positions during the NY Open or the NYSE Open, because when there's volume in the market, that's when these supports get broken through. That's when wicks get filled, and that's when price can push through these things. So for that reason, this is the main support I'm looking at, because it's the closest, it's the most relevant, and it makes sense on the 4 hour and it makes sense on the 1 hour. I mean on the daily. So that's why I'm using this support right here. Hopefully that makes sense. Yesterday you set up the chart same as today with the range 2. Can you elaborate? Yeah, range 2 is just when you're going against a daily bias. You're gonna need some sort of a second range to form. So instead of jumping based on this breakout right here and getting in off of this, I won't do that, because a lot of times what's gonna happen is you're gonna see a fake out. So this candle will push up and then close back below the range. So when you're going against a daily bias, you open yourself up to that, and then obviously getting stopped out as price continues down to continue moving based off of the daily time frame, right? And where the daily candle wants to go. So for that reason, I always wait for a range 2. And what a range 2 is it's just a simple new range, kind of like I just explained on the celery play. It's a range, price come up, find resistance, right? Start to die out. Find some sort of resistance here with a bearish candle closure, come back, boom, bam, and then create a support. And then once you have that support, now you have a new range. Oh. And in that new range now, you can have confidence that if you're closing above it, then there's a high chance that you are going to continue up today, and that it's not just going to be a fake out. Right, so you basically got range 1 here. This is your first range, and then range 2 is up here. So range 1, range 2, you get the range 2 breakout, closure above the support, clean traffic to the left, then we can confidently say we can enter positions to go up. But before that, you may get faked out in this area. So anytime you're going against a daily candle, you want to wait for that range 2 fake out, or that range 2 breakout. There was something in the Discord too. I think Jose might have posted it. Asian session maybe? No, London. Yeah, you see, so you got the fake out there. So this was your fake out that we talked about last night, that I was just saying, hey, be careful. You got a closure above. Notice how it closed with very little top wick. Next candle broke the high. This is what enters most traders, and then boom, stops them out. So if you want to work on avoiding fake outs, then start to apply that range 1, range 2 idea, and you'll be surprised at how many fake outs. You won't be able to avoid every single fake out ever, but you will be able to avoid a good amount for sure. So that's the idea behind the range 2, is just to avoid fake outs. And then what happens too is if we're waiting for a range 2 and we don't get it, we understand that this is where the fake out's gonna happen. So we have another play called the fake out back into the range, where we can take positions right here now. So now that you got the fake out, we can take a sell to come back down into this range. If you close below, you got nice runners. Right? Target would be like right here to close most of the position, but if you do get closed below, you should have a really nice runner in that situation. So we love taking that position. Let's see if this 1 hour is going to make a top wick for itself. Almost did. 30-minute came pretty high here. Do you risk 2% on your funded account? Like 3%. I sent my down Discord. Winning with the winners. Down bow created the celery. Look it up. Yes, sir. Yep. Yeah. So we got all of our funky names from Don. Celery, onion, fake out, all that stuff. A whole playbook comes from Don. So shout out to Don Boat.
Shout out Don Boat.
Always kept it 100. Always does. Still to
I
this
bring
day.
the volume terminology. Later.
Yeah, and then Sam brings in the bleeder and the juicer, and Uncle Scout brings in the sleeper. That was a good one.
That caught me so, bro.
What's stop the cat?
Stop the cat.
Stop the cat. Oh man. What time frame is best for confirmation? I feel like the 15 minutes is a little bit risky. Maybe 30 minutes and above. Yes, 30 minute, 1 hour is going to be the best. The best ever. Right? Because now you take this trade off the 4 hour, you still don't have a close below. So once you get an official close below, that's when you know you could see a push. Right? Until then, the 4 hour just kind of broke the low and then kind of pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down. So until you get that closure below, I believe what it's waiting for is it's waiting for this 1 hour candle to close below and this 30 minute to close below. And then you'll see the push, because that's when the volume will come in at the NY Open as well. And we may be able to have some positions here. So if we get a 1 hour, 30 minutes to close below, then I would definitely be interested in sells here. Where's green? Where's green? There's green. Since 4 hour had too many rejections on the left, don't you consider to avoid the open sell? No, because overall we're bearish, right? So we're trying to push down here. This daily candle by the end of the day should and could look something like this. Could look something like this, closing below this level here to continue down. That's what this daily candle could be made of here today, and that's what we're looking to anticipate and hop on, right? We just want to jump on the candle. We don't need to take the full move. All we need to do is get our little scraps as retail traders and get moving. That's it. We want to find where the big dogs are going, and we want to jump on their bus. And we want to ride their bus till our they're going further than our destination. But we just want to get into our destination, and we want to get up out of there.
Sure.
Stop the cat. Yo, stop the cat. The cat's running outside. Stop it. Stop the cat. I love the concept of range too. Yeah, me too. Yeah, your P&L will love it too. Promise you. Give the man some likes. Hey, what up, Timothy? Thanks, Nick. Makes sense for the range 2. Yeah, the range 2 will make a lot of sense to you guys. Just keep showing up every day, keep seeing it play out, and you'll start to notice, wow, that is super smart. Yeah, and then if it is a fake out, so we could either wait for a range 2 or we can catch our fake out. And we catch our fake out, you know, we're gonna come back down or whatever, you know, fake out direction it's going. So that's another good setup in itself. Downloads too much veggies? I guess so. That's that organic trading style. I'll sub because you seem real. Oh, thanks, man. Maybe we see consolidation to unemployment claims. Yeah, we could see that. We could definitely see that for sure. Yep. See what happens. We got the NY Open here in 5 minutes. So what's our question right now? Our question is very simple. Can the 1 hour and the 30-minute close below support? If it does, we can take a trade. If it doesn't, then we can't. It's pretty simple.
Yeah, that's all we can do.
That's it.
We
Now
go off by the markets.
we asked the question. We gotta wait 4 minutes for the market to give us the answer to our question, and then we could say, hey, we could look for positions, or we need to wait for another candle.
Yep.
Give me 1 sec. Give and take, right? Back and forth.
Sir. That's all we can do, right? wait for our setup. Once our setup arrives, we execute and we take whatever the market gives us. We don't set no goals or targets. Whatever the market is willing to give us, we will take it. It could be 10 pips, it could be 50, right? Whatever it's gonna be. And it's our setup or no setup.
Yo, I think this is peak viewers today, right? Look at this.
Hey, yo.
Yeah.
236.
And yo,
Shout out 236 of y'all, man. Let's
Oh,
go.
Shout out,
big
dog.
shout out.
Yo, can we get some more likes on the stream?
yeah, we
Oh,
can get to 200 likes here, but now listen, guys. Like right now, where there's 4 minutes left in the candle, this is where you should start to be planning your trade, right? You know, price is ducking down. You don't want to just blindly enter a trade and then worry about what you got to do. So if we're looking left or if we're looking up, we got a 29 pip stop loss. We're gonna possibly shoot for this 80 pip range and go risk free at about 18 pips here. So that's what the trade for me is gonna look like, and that makes sense according to what's going on to the left hand side as well. So let's mark that off. That's gonna be where we're gonna go risk free during this trade, if and when we get this close below. And then we're gonna try and hold runners here until 66,500 here today. So that's the plan, right? So now we have to see if this plan is gonna play out for us. Next step is wait 2 minutes to see if we get this candle to close below. And then the next step is wait for our entry. And that means that we need to wait to see a top wick. And then the entry will be most likely on the break of these lows here.
Yeah, it's a plan going into another plan. Because you gotta plan your setup with your entry, and then you also gotta plan how you're gonna manage the trade. And
Yep.
we do this, we plan it out, so we back everything up with logic when we're already in the trade. When
Yep.
our emotions could be running, we back it up with logic.
Exactly. And how do we manage this trade in a winning position? Well, we close partials down here, right? How do we manage it in a losing situation? Well, what we'll do is if the next candle opens up and just closes above here for some reason, we will take our position out. Because at that point, if you're closing above, you should be able to push up to retest the high. So we do need a bottom wick here. We got about 30 seconds. So let's see if it gives us a bottom wick, and then we'll wait for a top wick and we'll be in positions. So sell stops will be on the break of the lows here. But not yet, not yet. Not yet. All right, so we need a little bit of a top wick. And once we get that, this is a beautiful opening to the candle. Now we need a top wick. Preferably up back in this range here. If it drives like this, it drives. So we got our setup, right? We got to close below. Check one. Now we need a top wick. So once this top wick is formed and it comes up to 74, 500, even up to like 75, we will set the sell stops.
What do you go on previous candle? Or?
Previous candle stops. Yep, they're going to be about 29 pips.
Somebody give Wunkle a call.
You got what, Andy?
Where's Wunkle at?
Oh, yeah. I'm sure he'll be here soon.
Come on. Oh, baby lovers.
All right, perfect. So that's going to be a good top wick for me, tapping back into this area right here. I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of these lows here. Sell stop at the break of the lows. Stops are going to be kept above this previous 30-minute candle, and targets are going to be down here at 1966 here. Let's make this a little... All right, perfect. Don't get all quiet now, chat either. Come on, talk to us. Y'all be getting mad quiet when we're in a chat.
Here we go.
Just another trade, chat, right?
Yeah, just another trade.
No.
Oh.
Have confidence. Have confidence in yourself.
You guys, right now, your muscles in your neck and in your upper back are just squeezing together ridiculously hard right now. Just relax. It's another trade. It's one trade. We have volume. Our setup is here. Our job is to execute. Business as usual.
Just another day. It's not your first or last trade, right? So.
Nope.
As long as you don't blow your account.
Yep.
And this is our job right here. You know.
Yes, sir. Our job is to execute on this during NY Open here.
Yep.
Right? Yep. So whenever we take this trade, you should be complete. Like, unless you are over risking, it should just be like a normal
trade.
Whatever happens, happens. We just execute when the setup comes.
Yes, sir. Leave it up to the markets.
Yes, sir.
You know what I really want to get?
What's that, bro?
One of those things where you like lock your ankles in and it takes you upside down, like stretches out your back. Oh my god.
Oh god.
No, those things are.
Where's the
terrifying.
stop loss at? Stops are going to be above this previous 30. Above here. So we're basically looking like a 30 pip stop for an 80 pip win. And then right here is probably where I'll go break even, right around 15 pips as we start coming in to fill this wick here.
It's super nice RR.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got RR here too.
Break of the
Oh, sorry.
daily lows.
No RR.
No, we got RR here today, chilling. Sell stops at 1973, yes.
You think that 30-minute or that hourly candle with no top wick is kind of throwing a little wrench in there?
Nah, I think we're past that now.
Yeah, so I agree with Nick.
Especially with volume coming in.
Yeah.
I'm on 820. Come on.
We do have news coming in at 8:30, so we'll see if we can get closed up by then and see if we get runners.
Yeah, but the reason that I agree is because it's like we just closed into a new range now.
Yep.
So it's like this is now the range we're trading.
Yep, exactly. Yes. Breaking back into that new range, therefore we should be able to retest the lows.
Yep. This is something the previous candles couldn't do, right? So.
Yep. Ooh. Hey chat. Hold on. Hey yo chat. We gotta hit him with the Hey, why is that so low? Oh, here we go.
I can hear it, like it's really quiet though.
It's time, let's go. NY Open is here.
Sir.
Bruce Buffer's here.
Bruce Buffers.
Bruce Buffer has entered the chat.
Bruce Buffers in the
Sir.
building. Thanks, Brucey. Thanks, Bruce. Cost us 10 grand to have him come in and say that.
yeah. That was 100
We were
pips
talking
on
about
the
that the other day. What was the actual number?
$6,000 for a business video or whatever. That's crazy, bro.
That's funny.
And the man Buffer himself.
The man.
Yo, he does go crazy on him though. He actually does. Like he.
No,
does
he gives it his all.
Actually, yeah. He's actually doing a UFC.
You get him, you're getting quality.
Yo, look what Zulu said in the chat with the emojis. Yo.
It's time.
I just love this.
Well, I'm losing track of the chat here. Hey, yo. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel here and like the stream, man. Like the stream today. If you feel like this is going to be a big win, a big bleeder, go ahead and like the stream. If you feel like you're going to have a great trade today, go ahead and like the stream and show us that support, man. That's all we ask for is likes. We just ask for likes.
There he is. There's the man.
Because anytime you like the stream, it gets our stream out to more and more and more people, so.
Handy.
What up, Uncle? Oh, my boy.
Stop the cat.
Stop the cat.
Stop the cat.
I hope I get employee of the month with this trade. Ooh, since the 1 hour doesn't have a topic. Since the one hour doesn't have a topic, doesn't that reduce the probability of the trade? Like we were saying, I think we're past that at this point. We got volume coming in. If we're breaking these lows, very high chance we're gonna fill this wick here with the NY open. So yeah, I'm not too concerned. Our stops are right up there anyway. So the way we'll manage this trade, if it goes against us again, is just if we close back above. So if we get entered in here, price goes bearish, and then all of a sudden we end up pushing up and we close above this range. That's how we'll manage risk, and we'll probably just cut the trade right there. Because if we're breaking back into this range, there's a very high chance that the next candle will continue up, like I was saying earlier, and therefore there's no reason to be in that trade. Okay, cool. Not concerned about the news in 30. Yeah, news is coming in. I would like to be activated and filling this wick at that point and possibly closing partials, moving stops to break even, and doing all that good stuff. So we'll see in the next 10 minutes whether or not we get activated. If we don't, we'll probably just delete the sell stops, wait for the news to come out, and look to take a position after the news. No way, RR monsters go away. Oh, took a trade already with half risk. Nice. What about the news? TP is going to be down here at 166.500. So this the signal that's the TP down there.
Yo, chat, keep liking the stream. You're juicing the views.
You're juicing them.
It's the algorithm.
Appreciate you guys. Almost
working.
Can we crack 300 views here today?
Algorithms work.
Or 300 watching, not views. Views, man. We've been cracking over 1,000 every day.
The algorithm's quaking.
Yeah, it is, bro.
The
algorithm quake.
That algo. Yeah, so we'll see if we get activated here with the NY open. Hey, remember, when are wicks filled in the market? Wicks are filled during times of volume. If we break these lows, there is a extremely high chance we fill this wick, just like it happened yesterday, right? And just how it happened the time before and the time before that. And it's pretty. How many of you guys feel a lot better when you're in a position and your stops are previous candle versus current?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely me.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
100%.
Yep. It's time. Another top wick touching that old support would be an extra confirmation. Nope. Yeah. If we could break it and then now break the lows again, that'd be great. And that's why you don't get in on the initial, right? This candle pushed down with no top wick. We were patient. We waited for the top wick. We got it, and that's when we set the sell stops, right? We didn't set them before that.
We waited for our setup and we waited for our entry.
Yeah. Bingo. And we may get tapped in here, and then hopefully comics could push us down a bit, and this could be the best trade of your life. Let's see here. 250 live members is not enough. It must be 1K member minimum. But one for now. Appreciate enough what he's doing. Hey, yeah, appreciate that. Are you trading now? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Hey, Nick. Hey, Alan. Alan. Curious how you came up with the TP? Oh, it's based off the daily time frame. So TP, right, for the daily. If we're breaking back into this range at this point, right, we close below. We have a new range here. Daily should come down, retest this support, probably even wick down to this 66,500. If you want, you could leave your take profit right here at this support. That's not a bad idea either. But we should be able to drive down now and at least wick on down here by the end of the day. But this 169,300, that's a pretty solid area too, because that's the actual support. Any chance to up? News and Forex, why everyone trades gold and not GJ? We trade GJ too. Yeah, we trade GJ. Look, you did get a closure above there on pound yen. GJ is just not as much movement this week. Otherwise, we'd probably be looking for positions. But I'm activated. Should I manage? If it closes above this level here, then yeah. But if not, you're good. Still good. Yeah, the only way I would manage this position once I'm in it is if this 30-minute candle closes bullish above the range. That's really it. See if it closes above or below the range. There you go. See, Scott? Nice. My cousin just had a baby. They just brought him home. I said, "How's your first night?" That first night, bringing that baby home, man. It's no joke. All right, 15-minute candle is gonna close here in 22 seconds.
How do we feel getting in before news?
I'm okay with it. All right, so it looks like I've been activated. Got into some sells here. 15 closed. Yeah, 15 kind of closed with no bottom wick. I was actually thinking about that. But yeah, got into this position here based off of the break of the lows. So now we'll see if we can continue down here. Got a new 15 minutes, probably gonna make a top wick, and then volume should continue us down. Alright. Stops it up here. Perfect. So yeah, we're in. Now let's see if we can fill this wick here with the volume coming in. 820's coming in as well here, and should be a good trade.
Yes, sir.
Let's go ahead and mark this up. So today is the what, 18th? 18th. So what time is it? 8:15 we got in this. 8:15. Oh, what am I doing? This is March. breakout here. This was the, what was that? Previous or current? Previous, right?
Yeah.
Previous.
And 30 minute. Full. All right, let's see how it plays out.
Sir.
We got
We did our job. Now we leave it up to the probabilities.
Yep. And hopefully by 8:30 we could have pushed down to this break-even area and secured some profits, and then just leave the runner for the news.
Yep. We do have 8:20 coming up in 3 minutes too.
Yeah, we have 8:20 as well, which should continue to push us. That should give us that push we're looking for, and then yeah. Oh, 330 people watching right now. Appreciate you guys showing up to the stream. If you guys could like the stream, sub to the channel, that'd be awesome. 330 watching, 180 likes. I think we can get that up. If you want to see a bleeder here, like the stream. Good morning from the greatest place on earth. Hey, Pablo, good to see you here. Stop loss is up here, right here, man. Right above this previous 30-minute candle. Hey, I was watching the first stream like 2 days ago. We had like, I think it was like 9 people on the stream. So shout out to you guys, man. So 820 is coming in hot here for us. Let's see how 820 works out. Looks like we may close bullish here on the 5-minute. So let's see how all this works out. The 15 did close with no bottom wick, really. So that's the only issue I have with this trade. Other than that, based off the 30 and the 1 hour, it looks super clean. Super clean.
Yeah, all the higher time frames gold.
Yeah, you should see a push here in about 20 seconds.
Yep.
Yo, one more like for 200, please, man.
One more like for 200. Please do it. Please do it. All right, so here comes 820 volume. Let's see if it'll push us down here.
Yeah.
We want to see it push us down, that's for sure.
Definitely.
Where y'all at? Don't get quiet on me, chat. You drinking Red Bull? No way. Taking 75% off the 30-minute break. Nice. Like the stream.
Do we smell a bleeder?
I do.
I do too.
Yeah, same.
I smell bleeder.
Bleeder.
Calling on all pilots. Get ready for takeoff. Yeah, we gotta re-break this low here. Once we re-break that low, we should have no problem coming down to 1972 here to fill this wick.
Facts.
We got another sleeper.
Especially with the NY Open and comics. Come on, gold.
Oh, comics. Good.
Let's go, comics. We here, yeah. We got some. Yeah, higher time frames are all pointing in the right direction here. So
Yeah.
4 hour rebroke the lows too.
Yep. here's your chance to develop the skill of seeing price going up and down.
Yes, sir. And if
not
you
getting
don't,
emotional.
if you don't like the trade, you're at break even. You can get out right here.
Yep.
I'm gonna be sticking with this trade.
This is the thing. You guys gotta stick around and be around here. Like this trade setup is so good that like I'm comfortable losing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If we lose this trade, no big
mean?
deal. No,
100%.
don't care what one bit. All I care about is that we executed when the setup presented itself. That's all I care.
Oh yeah, we're gonna play her.
And here's your time to develop the skill of seeing price go into profit, back and drawdown, into profit, back and drawdown, and you know, etc.
Yep, exactly. We do have volume coming in here. We do have news. So if we are in profit, I'll probably go break even at 8:30.
Yeah.
If we're still floating around here, I might move stops to current candle. Just because news coming out.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing the same exact thing.
And let's go gold.
We'll see. We'll see. Looks so good. I was about a second lot. Oh no. You're about to add a second entry. Why is 820 important? That's the commodity exchange open. So a lot of times we see gold give us a nice push at 820. Do you think it's a bad idea to add positions since all the time frames are still in confluence? If it's in your risk plan, then you know, go for it. But I won't be adding any positions. I'll just be keeping one position in and letting it rock. But as long as you can handle the loss, right? So you could add as many positions as you want, but you just got to make sure you can handle that loss, just in case you do get it. What's your overall win rate? Dude, we're freaking 89% right now this year, man. We are cooking. I told y'all, I'm in flow.
Let that boy cook.
Flow state, man.
So,
like when it comes to trading thing, man, I am so dialed in. But yeah, we're actually doing really well.
Let that boy cook.
Get that boy cook. We'll get more volume at 8:30. Yeah, we got 5 minutes for news here. We're rejecting pretty nicely. See, Wick's up here now. Wick's down here. Should be able to get it to go. 5 pip spread. Ooh. Quick question, are you going to be streaming on the regular? Yeah, every day, Monday through Friday. Every day, Monday through Friday. Are you going to move your stops? Yes, just not yet. Once we get down to this yellow line here, that's when I'm going to move my stops. Yeah, we'll be streaming every day, gang. We'll be here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 or 6:45 a.m. Eastern, till about 10:30, 11 o'clock, give or take. Spread is ridiculous, man.
Yeah, the spread is wild.
I bet.
Come on, Goldie. Spread is wild. All right, so who's ready? You guys ready for news here?
Yup.
Looks like we got ourselves in a position here for the release.
We never take trades for news, so let this be the one. If it, you know.
Yeah, if it's to be, it's to be.
Because we're in already.
Much cleaner than that guy. Although he's very knowledgeable, can't understand the dude. Oh, just watch the spread go up and down. Yeah, man, spreads are about 4 pips here now. Can we get a bleeder? Yes, possibly. Good morning, Anthony. Anthony's in the building. Good morning, bro. Ready for the fireworks. Yeah, we're gonna be in for the fireworks show here. Which broker you use? Traders Global. That's what my Forex funds. Where to watch for news? Right here. We're broadcasting it live. Hey, I'm new here. I got trading a $10 account. Hope I'm in the right place. Yeah, you're in the right place, man. You're in the right place. Yeah, spread is crazy, man.
So they're forecasting unemployment to be down from last month, so that would be bearish for gold.
Okay, cool.
Though, as long as that comes out, honestly, it's like perfect.
When you're already in a trade, bro, your spread should be where it is from the beginning. Like, wherever you enter a trade, that's where the spread should be. I hate that they fluctuate while you're in a trade.
Facts.
Yeah, like if you enter with 2 pip spread, you mean?
Yeah.
It stays low, yeah.
So you guys can pretty much pick exactly what you would like to do here. For me, I'm just gonna let the position rock. I may move stops here to current candle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. A little bit above current candle. That way we don't get just annihilated. So let's see what happens with this new 30-minute, and yeah, we're closing up. It looks like we're gonna close below the range as well. Spreads are getting crazy here.
Damn.
Yep. So got popped on that. Right to my stop loss, dude. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Holy shit, bro. Same here, bro. Right to the stop loss.
Damn, look at that bleed.
Sheesh. Who caught that?
Me.
I guess we should have never moved the
I
stops.
did.
Wow. Straight down.
Straight TV.
I'm out.
Straight down.
Sam, you caught that?
Yeah, I just kept previous stops. Because for me, it was like the spreads were high. If it was gonna
Yeah.
pop up, make a wick, I didn't want to get tapped out.
Yeah.
Take a.
Yup. Nah, that was a beauty though.
But
I
I've
have
also
there for the-
watched a lot of news and that kind of stuff. So I don't know.
Beautiful. Wow, that was money.
Nothing wrong with that though.
Straight down.
Excited to play that.
Honestly, it didn't even tap me out. It was the spread that got me.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Seriously, bro.
Yeah. Hey, it's all good.
Crazy.
You wanted to be safe. Just grab it. I'll let the stop loss. Where should I have before? Oh, nice. 1.5 on your challenge. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's kind of a bummer because price didn't even come near my stop. Crazy. Almost got slipped. Oh yeah. WW, I don't move my stops because of spreads. Yeah, no, good idea. Almost got stopped. Would take a second entry, just let it do its thing. Yeah, just let it do its thing here. First time trading news, got demolished. Oh,
Got
man. Yeah, I guess we should have kept our stops up here.
Play for 930.
Yeah.
Yeah, at this point it should keep coming down. It just did that celery.
Yeah. Yeah, that was money. Approaching
What
target.
did numbers even come out at? Oh yeah, so it did come down. So the forecast was 253, and it came out 242. So employment down.
Oh, perfect.
Bad for gold.
Oh man, that was trash. We take another trade. Whoa, not yet. Win all the way. All the way. Yeah, I should have kept my stops here, I guess. It literally tapped me, and that was it. Same thing as yesterday or the day before. But bam, there's target right there, chat. Boom. Right where we said it would go. Beautiful. What clues do you look for in the news to determine the chances of making price go up or down? Just the expectancy and the actual, like the forecast and then the actual number. They'll usually tell you what they're expecting and what it was last month, and depends how the numbers come out. It's either negative or positive. Like the stream for this bleeder. Hey, 350 people. Yeah, that was a nice move. Look, just continuing down here now. So what were we looking at here? We were looking at the support down here at daily time frame.
Check out the 4 hour if you don't like the daily. 4 hour looks way clean.
Oh yeah, 4 hour looks. 4 hours got super clean traffic here. It's come all the way downtown. Yeah, man.
If it keeps going from there, whoo.
Whew. Beauty. Analysis right on point. Love your work, bro. Love all the way from Australia, my man. Hey, appreciate you. Australia. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Oh man, let me I did not tell the signals chat to move their stop, so they're all chilling. They are chilling. Play the game out of game go. All right, beautiful. beautiful. Mark, you got me out. Slippage didn't touch my stop loss at all. Yeah, same here. Hey brother, are you funded trader? Yeah. Please pick a new entry. I would like to recover. Watching your stream for the first time. Great work, brother. Thank you. Got less than a week being on the stream. I can't believe how much I'm learning and making money. Hey, yo, just hit TP. Feels great. Awesome. Let's go. Nice win, Nick. Thanks, bro. Yep, for sure. Yeah, it was a good trade. Good trade. The other thing with news, I thought we may come up to create that top wick. Charts for stream. Let's take a look. Buys above, sells below. Perfect. What was I gonna say? Yeah, the 1 hour and the 4 hour are just perfect. All right.
I love the chat.
On to the next. On to the next trade. Mohammed took another trade? No, sir. No, sir, not yet. Great analysis. Big up to you all the way from, Mombasa, Kenya. Let's go. The power of the internet, man. Crazy. Crazy. Wow. This thing's driving here. All right, well, that's full TP for the signals.
Yeah. Chat, was that not money or what?
Boom. Yeah, they're out too. So signals chat's out now. Everyone should be pretty good outside of holding a runner. If you are holding a runner, hold it. Move your stops to break even at this point. Hold that runner. This should be good. Oh, 3-0 this week. Money. Small runner going. Beautiful. Hey, if you took a W on that, like the stream. Like it up. Oh, nice. Good work. Yeah. Bleeder. That's a bleeder. Just the beauty off the 1 hour, man. Just another day in the office. Beautiful thing. Bleeder. Yeah, I'm surprised it actually is not pushing more. Like, we're only 57 pips here. We still have plenty of opportunity here. Bleeder. Honestly, I like the idea of moving stops because I felt it could get slipped and still get, yeah, that's the thing too. You're gonna get slipped on the stop loss too with spread. So I wanted to cover for that. How far were we away? We were about 15 pips. Yeah, so that would have been good. Stops would have held. Sam, you had your stops above what, that previous, the 30 minute? That 30-minute wick?
There.
Yeah, that was smart. Like setup, bro. In Canada, hey, Canada, hey? Canada, hey? Watching your streams for the first time, great work. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. 300 plus on the stream. Appreciate you guys tuning in today. Oh, nice. Oh, 363 we had here. Oh, almost 400. Nice. Look, we took the trade and then people left. They said, all right, I got my money, I'm out of here. So now we need a little retracement, and then we should be able to crack 360 here today. They ate and left. Yeah, they grabbed their plate and dipped. It's like that. It's like that neighbor. You know, he comes over. He sees that you got a bunch of cars outside of your house. He pulls up, comes over, says hello to your mom, grabs a plate and dips. Oh yeah, man, you're such a nice person. Oh, thanks. They said thanks and dipped. Yeah, they didn't even say thanks. Stop loss part of life. Yep. Heart really been racing when you hold the trade during news. But good person meets with God. Yeah. Should we close and wait for another trade? Yeah, I would close, man. I just told the signals chat to close full. Right there. Close full. 65 pips. So not a bad move there. W.
This is the way I see news. You're gonna either get insta stop or insta profit.
Pretty much.
Like, I don't know.
Literally.
Yeah, man.
And like right there, I mean, we were in beforehand, and it still was valid.
Pow, pow, pow. Yeah, you should have closed positions right at that gray line that we talked about, because now you may see a pullback here. So. Shout out to my enemy. But yeah, man, what a trade. That deserves a what's it called? And way to go, everyone. Way to go. Bleeder. Hey, yo, who won that Boston game last night? Who won it?
Austin will answer. I have no idea.
Boston. Who won the Boston? All right. Great analysis. Thanks, man. Nice to see Kenyans representing. Hey. Trading just like Raja Banks. Love your style, bro. Hey, thanks a lot. Joining from Jamaica. Hope it's like this every day. Your experience in chart analysis. Yeah, I'm alright. Are you asking how long, or I would say like with this system, like 2.5 years. The second day price was more of a steeper than a pop to a bleeder. Yeah, Nick, your blessing. Oh man, Miami won it. Oh, Miami won. Oh, greenery. What happened there, pal? Heat. The Heat won. Oh, a lot of Heat fans here. Your analysis and teaching is the best I've seen. That's why I'm a student of yours. Oh man, appreciate you. Pablo. Coming to DR to see Pablo soon. I'm coming. Game 1. Oh, okay. It's only game 1. Gotcha. I didn't know that was a new series. Game 1. Yeah, it's only game 1. So, what was I gonna do here? Oh yeah. right, let me just do this real quick and then we'll get back to it. All right. Sweet. Game one, yeah, game one. Bro, I'll be waiting. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there. DJ K said, God, dude. Oh yeah. So okay, cool. So we got the 4-hour candle closing up here in a little bit. Let's see what we're looking at here. So very clean, man. Very clean for this 4-hour candle to continue driving. Next 4-hour candle should drive just like this one did. Yep. Looks good. Let's remove all drawings here. You got the 4-hour. Let's take a look. So we got 4-hour supports right here. Anything closing below here, we are now breaking back into this range here. So we should be able to fill that range. So a lot more range here for price to drive here on gold. Let's wait for this 4-hour to close up, do its thing, and then we may even be able to catch a celery play at 9:30.
Clean range.
Clean range. Yeah, let's sit tight, wait for this 4-hour now. Right, look at all this traffic, clean traffic that we have to take advantage of here. And this becomes our new range. So we'll look to see if we can get something in here. I think we should be able to do it. Give me 2 seconds. This thing is ripping. Alright, cool. Let's see here. Alright. Yeah, let's see how this 4-hour closes up. Want to see a little bit of a pullback now. 15 filled the wick pretty nicely there. Nice. Oh, US 30 got a clean range too? Oh, nice. What did the Dow do here? Let's take a look. Clean range coming down here. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Hello, I am first time watching. Hey, thanks for coming by. Thank you for coming by today. We should have plenty more opportunities here. Plenty. John, you chilling for the whole stream?
Yeah.
Hey. He's here for the whole stream today. Man, that 15 wasn't a bad position there. Okay. All right, we got 6 minutes here for a 4-hour close. I'm thinking that we could possibly get some sort of another push here at 9:30. So the volume just pushed us, right? So now the next time volume's coming in will be at 9:30 here. So let's see how this 1-hour/4-hour closes up, and then we'll look to possibly take some more positions. Yiddy. So who got runners? Anybody got runners still? If you guys got runners, man, chilling. Break even way up there. You could even move your stops and profit at this point. If you want, you can now take your stops, put them above this 15-minute high, and you're back above the range, and now you're chilling. That's probably, we got in right here on this 15. So yeah, it's about 18 pips in profit. So now's a good time to do that. Put it above the 15 high, and you're chilling. You've already secured profits. Your runner's running. It's got an 18 pip window as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. For those of you guys who are messaging me about the one-on-ones and the elite program, I'll get back to you guys after the stream, all right? I trailed my stops. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, we got 4 minutes here. So this candle's gonna close up. You may see a nice little push up here, a couple 5-minute candles. Create that top wick for the new 4-hour, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. Pound yen is pushing up here. Nice. This daily candle is about to flip. Remember what we talked about with pound yen? About how this daily candle could just be creating a bottom wick here, right? When it was down here, it doesn't look, you know, it doesn't make sense, right? You're like, nah, there's no way this candle could push back up. But, you know, higher time frames, candles all do the same thing, right? They should come down, make bottom wicks, break highs, give it a push. So it looks like that's happening here on pound yen now. Gold is looking saucy here. Still looking good. Ever left runners before on stream? Thankful for Nick. Oh, cool. I've only caught one runner. Oh, damn, Scott. You haven't lived until you caught a beautiful runner. Yeah, this should be nice. I'm expecting to see a 30-minute candle. We spend maybe the majority of the first 30 minutes of this new 1 hour creating a top wick for the new 4-hour candle. And if we can close something like this, that'll be the celery play lining up for us with volume coming back into the market. And that's when you should see that next drive. That would be perfecto. So we'll see if we get it. Doom, doom, doom.
Let's see what 930 will bring.
Let's see what it brings.
We can probably go down to 1956, maybe 1951.
1952, 770 I could see here. Based off of the clean range on the 4-hour time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Looking good.
Yeah.
We may have our first hold up here right around 64. So that'll be like our first target here, and then if we could break through that, we're chilling. I like it, I like it. Look at Nasty Nas up. But I'd love to know what you guys see. Let's take a look. Oh, hold on, we got a new candle here. So I just want to see, I do expect for us to start making a top wick here on this 4-hour candle. And yeah. I want to see a pretty steep top wick for a celery play here. If this thing drives, man. Man, oh man. Yeah, let's get ourselves a top wick on this 4-hour. There we go, looks good. All right, that's nice. What's the next best time after the trade? 9:30 is the next time volume will come in. So we want to see how things start to set up here based off these time frames. But 9:30 is really our next point of volume to come in. Yeah, right now we wait. My dog. Oh, can you please give me your opinion? Stops are at break even. Got into some positions. Let's take a look. On GJ. Yeah, move stops to break even. Yep. Take some profits, move stops to break even. Beautiful trade. Do you have a course? I don't have a course, but I do have an 8-week one-on-one mentorship program. So if you guys are interested in that, just let me know. Shoot me a message on Discord. If one of the mods could put the link to the Discord in the chat, that'd be dope. We have a free Discord here that you are more than welcome to come in and join. Free Discord, just shoot me a message on there and we could talk more about that 8-week program. In my opinion, that's much better than a course. Much better, because this is multiple days, multiple nights every week where we get together and talk one-on-one about you, about your psychology, about your trading, about your accounts, and it's all personalized to you. So that's a 8-week mentorship program, and that's, in my opinion, that's way better than a course, because we could actually go back and forth and talk about things. But yeah, you guys are welcome to join our free Discord here. Oh, whoops. I'll shoot you a message. Yeah, shoot me a message. Shoot me a message. If I enter buys off, oh, I don't even know what pair that is. Yeah, if we come below here, we got even more sells below 64 here. Hey, I'm new here. Hey, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the party. Let's see here. Yeah, it seems like the volume's kicking in here. Should I hold on? I have a sell position in from 1969. 1969. Yeah, hold it if you want. Where's your target? You should have a plan for the trade, right? I would just stick to your plan. Wherever you had a plan to take profits, I would just stick with that. What's the plan? We're gonna wait for 9:30 here. So we're gonna wait for 9:30, see how this candle closes, and then look to possibly take another position. Yeah, NYSE open, we're gonna wait for here. We've got some time. Do. Yeah, we may just consolidate here for a few minutes. That's the plan, yep. Yeah, if we end up closing below 64 as well before the candle, then we have more clean range down there. So we have even more clean range below this level here, which isn't bad. You get a closure below there, should be good to drive. This candle right here is funky. We have more news at 10. More news at 10. Yeah, we got news pretty much throughout the whole session here today. Yeah, I believe we should continue down though. Should start to continue down here. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah, if the lows break again, whoever got runner still is going to be eating good today. Real good. How much you lose, Nick? What do you mean? What do you mean, Jelly Bean? Your stop loss hit 2%. 2%. I don't lose. I'm only winning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. Yeah, previous trade 2%.
Bro, my mic was muted. I was just gonna say. I said before you answered, but I said, why does it even matter? Like, what do you learn from that?
Oh yeah, that's true.
Additional value within that question.
That's true.
Because you might not be comfortable risking as much as he might, or you may be more comfortable risking more than he did.
Yeah.
I don't know. So many variables.
Yeah, that's why I just say percentage. 2%. To some, that may mean $2, some 2,000, some 200, some 2 million.
Yeah, but we know what they want to ask.
Yeah. How much money, man? How much money you lose there? About $2,000.
Oh man, Nick lost $2,000, bro.
2K, baby. Yeah, let's see how 930 treats us here. Are you afraid to lose your funded account when you risk 2%? No, not at all. Because I know max, I'm taking 2 trades a day. Max. Especially if I lose one, I only give myself 1 more trade at that point. I'm okay with losing 4% because I know I can get it back. And I know I'm not going to revenge it and try and overtrade it and all that stuff, so.
The candles are looking clean.
Clean candles.
Yeah. If this 15 could give like a celery, that would be perfect.
That'd be beautiful. We'll see, we'll see. Candles driving here.
This next one, by what I mean. Wow, it is driving.
Drive. Bleeder. $4-hour, very little top click here.
Yeah, flip and start driving up for us, gold.
Clean range though, man. If we do decide to continue down here, 15-minute candles closing. So where's that support on the 15? Yeah. Do. All right, wow, beautiful. Hey, who's got runners? Who's got some runners? Yeah, it's perfect now. If this 15 can close below this support, that'd be beautiful. You got one more support here to the left-hand side. Below that, we are pretty clean. Looks really good on the 30-minute as well. Looks really good below there. So yeah, perfect. Let's see. Oh, nice. Door Doom still got runners here. Perfect.
He must be up.
What's the lot size? Yeah, do it by percentage. Selling now? No, not just yet. Still in. Nice, Chandra. Yeah, hey, if you're still in, hold these runners. hold them, continue holding them until this area down here, 1952. This is where the daily candle's going. This is where the next 4-hour candle's most likely going to drive to. Hey man, why did you move your stops if you considered the spread? I was actually considering the spread too when I moved the stops. It literally just nipped me by one, literally on the decimal, and then just flipped and pushed back down. So that was the only reason. Plus I knew that my other stop would have got slipped as well, which was even higher, right? So that's why I wanted to, just in case news pushed us up all the way up, I would rather not take a full loss when it comes to news. How do you determine your lot size using percentage? Well, if you have a $100 account and you're risking, or if you have a $1,000 account and you're risking 3%, you have to take the math, add it up, and then see how many pips your stop loss is, and then just adjust your lot size accordingly. So if you're only willing to risk 300 bucks, then you got to make sure you could open up a one lot, but it's got to be under 30 pips. Anything above 30 pips, you got to adjust it, make it a little bit smaller. So you got to do the math. Or you just pick up a handy dandy magic keys and get that, and that'll calculate the risk for you. All right, this is good. This is really good. We need a little bit of we need to close below here and leave ourselves a wick. Hold them runners. Yes, hold them. Nick was selling at the break of the 30-minute valid entry. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, the original entry was up here. So you're looking about 120, 125 pips up. Beautiful runner, 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 runner. So what are we coming down to here? We got 10 minutes. We got 1952 600. Let me mark that off on my chart. Yeah, nice clean range here to continue driving. Relax, gold. Yeah, relax. Just stay right where you are. Don't move a muscle. All right, cool. No, don't enter. Can I enter? Well, you could always enter, but I would wait 8 minutes here. Wait 8 minutes for a 30-minute closure. Minute close. Please play sell stop and buy stop like previous, man. And stop loss. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's go. Let's get this closure. Sells below there. Let's see if we can get it. This is all we really care about at this point. Can we get a close below here? If we can, we're breaking back into this range. High chance we'll fill the next range now. Okay, nice. Plus size models. What a name.
What a name.
What a name. Please mention sell stop, please. Yes, I definitely will. If we get into a trade, I'll let you know exactly where my sell stops are. Oh, look at this. Telling you, GJ will be much better next week. We need a close above here. Above this resistance, and next week will be way better direction. Alright, Goldie. Atta girl. Alright, we got 6 minutes. Give me 1 minute, I'll be right back.
AQN, just tune into the streamer every morning, you know? Just keep watching, keep learning. And then eventually you'll be able to do it on your own, you know?
All right. Hey, so a lot of you guys are asking about the Elite program. I only have 1 spot open. I'll have 2 more spots open at the end. What's today? The 18th? Yeah, I'll have 2 spots open probably by next week. But yeah, we only got 1 spot left in the Elite program. So Uncle Scalp was my first Elite member. Uncle Scalp, how was your experience? What do you think about it? What would you tell these guys?
It completely elevated my game to the point where now I'm profitable, completely profitable, barely in drawdown. Losses are small, if any.
Oh, nice.
You know, highly recommend it.
Yeah.
If you're serious about it, if you're really serious about it.
Yeah.
You're trying to make this a full-time thing, then that's what you should be doing. At the very least, tuning in every single morning.
Yeah, at the very least, tuning into the free live streams.
I mean, you know.
And like you said, if you're serious about taking this and looking to do this full time, then you wanna grab arms with someone, you know, who can really get you to that point. So Uncle Scalp's made incredible progress, and not only has it helped you on the chart, but it seems like you've developed some cool habits off the chart as well, some new habits, right?
Oh, 100%, yeah. I mean, like,
that's
you know,
fire.
this isn't just about trading. It's more than trading.
Yeah.
You know, it helps in all aspects of life when you have a mentor and someone who guide you in the right direction.
Yeah. It was great to just getting together one-on-one all the time like that. I think that makes a big difference when you could actually get a one-on-one session with the guy who you're getting coached from versus just hanging out on stream. And now Uncle Scalp FaceTimes me and we talk, and he calls me up and we chill out and talk and all the good stuff. So
exactly.
Yeah, definitely creates a bond as well.
For sure.
All right, can we leave ourselves a wick?
We're on the 30, Gino. We're on the 30 time frame.
Someone seems a bit desperate for a trade. Revenge trading maybe? Come on guys, wait till 9:30 here. Maybe you recommend for someone like me who's learning this whole concept. I'm trying to develop a skill to do it on my own, but I also watch you on these streams to grasp it all. Yeah, that's the idea, right? You want to watch until you know how to do this on your own. Then once you know how to do this on your own, then you can do whatever you want, you know? Show up for your session, trade it, go about your life.
Muhammad, we always mention the sell stop. Don't worry about it. We always mention we always mention where we're putting the entry and where we're putting the stop loss, so don't sweat it.
Yeah, don't worry, pal. You'll know exactly what we're doing. Second by second updates. Yeah, we want to see this candle pull back here a little bit. Let's see. We want to see a pullback. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, man. Like the stream up. We got 261 likes today. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, it goes back to the old saying, teach a man to fish. Yep. You come fish here with us, and then guess what? You know how to fish anywhere you go moving forward in life. Come on, 30, pull back a little bit here. Got 20 seconds. Not looking like we're getting that pullback here, boys and girls.
We'll probably get the top wick next time, hopefully.
Yeah, we need a steep top wick here. All right, that's a good opening. So now we need a top wick. If we can make a decent top wick, we could take sells on the break of these lows here. Come on, give us a little something. Little something, something. All right, that's not bad. I'm gonna have sell stops here. Sell stops on the break of these lows, expecting volume to drive us down here and finish the job here on gold. So stops are gonna be kept most likely above this range here, but we're gonna be using current candle stops. So wherever that is, hopefully we can come up in the range, but if not, that's pretty good. Let's see. So I'm not in this yet, but yeah, I'd like to use stops back in this range here. Yeah, it's probably gonna look something like this if we break this low now. So yeah, sell stops at the break of the low. Gonna be targeting 1952 here. Let's take a look to the left hand side, see what we got in terms of any minor. We have something right here, which will go break even at this point. And yeah. Oh, it looks like I've been activated here. So I've been activated here in sells. Stops are going to be kept above the current candle, keeping a tight stop loss. TP is going to be down here, and then risk free will be at this yellow line here. Risk free. All right. Let's see if NYSE can give us the push we're looking for. The second round of this gold volume here.
Let's go NYSE.
It's time.
It's time.
All right. It's time. Oh, this is supposed to be, yeah, right there. All right.
And now we wait.
Existing home sales is next. Yep. That's coming in at 10.
That's definitely good. Wait, hold on. Let's see. 10 a.m. That's definitely gonna be bad news.
Bad news on the dollar?
Yeah, it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be negative because we're in like fucking real estate crisis right now.
Real estate. Dun, 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 dun.
Lost my funded on the first day, bro. How the hell did you do that?
Ooh.
5% drawdown. Yeah, you're over risking.
All right, we should see a push here now. Coming on down to this break-even zone here.
Yeah. Sam, man, you're over risking, bro.
Alrighty, beautiful. So I'm going to just wait a sec here. Alright, chat, I'm going to close partials right here, move stops to break even, making this a risk-free trade at this point, and got about 18 pips there, and see if we can get the rest to drive.
WW.
W. Yeah, let's see if we get the rest of this thing to drive and continue on with this daily candle movement. Oh, 5% max, yeah. It's all good. All good, man, all good. Nothing but lessons, right? All right, beautiful. Tap it into this area now here. I closed partials down here as well. Yeah, right about 18 pips. Oh, just a 10K? Yeah, that's like 40 bucks. Or what? 100 bucks maybe? But yeah, closed partials, got most of that earlier one back here. Ding ding ding. Let's see if we can get another runner on our runner. Can we get a runner? Moving a little bit slow here for 9:30. I'm expecting volume to come dump in here.
There we go. Broke the lows. I want to see it past 1956.
Yeah.
0.98.
Yes, sir. We should get there. Oh, W's. Yeah, you guys close partials? Perfect. Perfect. Hey, that actually put me in the positive for the day, actually. And I still got a runner here.
There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, we got a breakthrough here.
There we go. Boom. There we go.
There it is. Yep, there she goes. Perfect. Perfect. So I still got 5 lots open. I'm going to close another half of those 5 lots right here. Boom. And then I'm going to let the rest run. So I got 2.5 lots in here now and just chilling. So look at that. You know, recovered that little spread loss there. Ended up making $500 here today. But we should start to drive down now. Just passed my 200K funded account. Let's go. Big W. Who's that? Grits and bacon, baby. Good work. Good work. Grits and bacon with the W. Let's go. Bless, baby. Hey, we got so many people passing their funding challenges. It's not even funny, bro. Where they do that at, though, man? Tell you, our stream just different, man. We're just different.
Tell me where they do that.
Tell me where they do that at. Do you have a trade journal? Yes, I do. Where they do it live like that, right?
I'm on 945.
Hey, yo. Oh, man. W chat. Good work. Good work.
See, I took the win on the first one, so I get to say this. Back-to-back wins?
Back
Where
to
else they
back.
take those at? Back-to-back streams?
Oh,
All
back
within 12 hours of each other? Where else they do that at?
That's very true. All I say is congratulations. Where they do that at, gang? Oh, damn. Lots of messages here. I will get back to you, all of you guys. I promise. I promise. I promise.
I put my stop loss and profit on that. Hit $400.
Oh, beautiful.
Whatever.
Yeah, I'm about to...
I wanted to see it.
Two?
I had my TP1 at 1956. I wanted to see it go lower to 1951, but it didn't.
Oh, I'm still good.
I was gonna say, we got a bunch of new viewers in here too, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the stream.
Yeah.
Especially if you caught that.
All right, break even for me.
That's all free.
Look at that, man. We called it from... First position was up here today. Stops are kept above these highs, right? And if you're still holding runners, you got 150. You've seen a total of about 170 pips here today. So, yeah, not bad at all. What a day. 15-minute just drip. Now, I got stopped at break even at this point, so I closed 75% of that position. And runner got stopped at BE here, so beautiful.
We got news tomorrow.
That's a tourniquet.
And guess what that trade? That trade was just another playbook trade of ours, right? I didn't do that to get the loss back. I didn't do that to revenge trade. I did that because our setup presented itself. We had a closure below. We had clean traffic up until this yellow line here. Look what we did. We rejected that line, right? So we had clean traffic. We had a top wick, beautiful stop loss, and yeah, nice little easy push down there at 930. And now you may see gold probably push back up here because we do have that news coming in. So yeah, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now, man, and show up day in and day out. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. We're like 20 away from 300 likes here. Can we get it? Can we get it?
Throw the notifications on too if you haven't.
Yeah, that too.
Just to remind you, you know, we're here.
Yeah.
Just to remind you. What else? What's another notification on your phone in the morning, right? You've already got how many? I guarantee you.
Facts. Yeah, so pretty decent day here. I mean, it was a great day outside of me getting tapped out at on that spread there. But other than that, what a beauty. This trade ended up getting me about all that loss back plus about $500 here. So it's probably gonna be the day for me. But we'll see. If we get one more opportunity, I may be open.
That's it for me today.
Dude,
1%?
Dunny.
You hit 4% today?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Let's go.
Beautiful. It's an amazing day.
Got stops trailing. Oh, got stopped out trailing. Okay, cool. Call, close some profits. Nice. 75% hit B, beautiful. Win all the way, yes sir. News coming in at 15, 169 pips. Great day and week. Good job, Chandra. Amazing. Where is that yellow line looking left? Oh, looking left. We're at this. I believe it was on the 15-minute. Let me just take a look here. Oh yeah, this that was that support here on the 30-minute time frame right here. Yep, that's why we marked that off, because we know that price can hit that support and start to reject, especially with a very little bottom wick on the previous candle here. So yeah, that was our range, that was our advantage point, and that's where we took the money. Do you have a course? No, but I do one-on-one sessions. So if you guys want to book like a one-on-one coaching call, you can do that. And I do have an 8-week mentorship program. So it's a one-on-one mentorship program where we dive heavily into my strategy, my system, psychology. We talk about you, we talk about your trading, and where you're at as a trader. We put together a roadmap and a blueprint and set a game plan up so that we'll set some goals, and then over the course of the next 8 weeks, we want to help you accomplish those goals. And that's what the 8-week program is built around, and we call it the Time to Eat Elite program. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. And we got one more spot, and I think it's next week where we're opening up another 2 spots. And that costs $1,500 for the 8 weeks, 1,500 USD. And I'll be honest, that's only going up because it's a lot of work for me. It really is. I'm committed, but it is like a job. So line, what time frame? 30-minute. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow. Yeah. You're out, Scott? GG's, everyone. Yes, sir. Thanks for all the knowledge, Nick. Everyone have a good trading day. No over trading. Word. Yeah, the elite costs $1,500. And then the one-on-one coaching calls are $100, and those are for almost 2 hours. So we dive pretty deep. Had a few you guys on the one-on-ones here this week and last week. It was good to meet you guys face to face and chat. My man, it's pretty cool, you know, working with like guys in Colombia, working with guys in Ireland yesterday, Venezuela, right, the day before. Where else? Atlanta. We got a few U.S. citizens as well, but it's cool to get a chance to connect with some of you guys that live overseas and stuff, man. Pretty dope. W day, Nick, amazing day. Yes, sir. Oh, you were saying it to Chandra. All right, Chandra, peace. Later. Might see buy stops today. Highly doubt it.
Nikolovsky, where you been, homie?
Nikolovsky.
You missed it.
You're scaring me, pal. You're scaring me. Yeah, all in all, money day.
I'm done for today. Beautiful day.
Yeah, same.
Yo, throw a couple more W's in the chat for me. But
throw a couple W's in the chat for Sam. Throw a couple W's.
I'm gonna hop in the chat though. I'm gonna get on my phone and watch.
Yeah, brother.
Sam at a 4% day.
Oh, cooking. Yeah,
do your thing, bro. We cooking out here, man.
Yeah, it feels good. I don't know if I could talk about it at all. Like I took 2 losses on. Look, I had a 3% loss on Monday, which was I don't usually have that, and then yesterday was good. I think it was like just over 1, and then today was crazy. So
beautiful, man.
Yeah, look at them W's in the chat.
Yeah.
You like to see.
Yeah, any of you guys that didn't move your stops and you were in that news trade, beautiful, man.
Yeah, beautiful.
Just perfect.
Honestly, if I could have left it runner, the thing was, I was just watching it and I had my thingy over to X, and then as soon as it went into profit, like 30 pips, I took it. I was like,
awesome. Yeah, that was amazing. Hey, Laron, can we share some of your results? So Laron is one of the winners of the 20K challenge accounts, and he actually upped it to 100K and sent me some of his results here. And I think it's good to talk about him, right? So beautiful here, man. 1 loss, good healthy loss, and the rest are all W's here. So perfect. Beautiful win here today with News SC. Nice. Perfect, man. Great job, bro. We're looking forward to hearing how you do on this account.
yeah, beautiful.
Yeah,
All
it's
right,
good.
I'm gonna head
It's
out.
really good.
All right, Sam. I'll catch you
Peace out,
tomorrow, brother.
everybody.
Peace out, Sam.
I'll be in the
Peace.
chat though.
All right, cool. Beautiful, bro. Congratulations, Laron. Amazing job, man. So far, so good. So far, so good. I started the week at 2%. Now I'm up 5.3%. Let's go. Good job, Adam. Good job, bro. Where do you go to win the account? Oh, we did 2 giveaways based on our subscribers. So yeah, that was what that was.
Tomorrow should be a good day too.
Yeah, tomorrow should be. This daily candle closes below support here, or below this support. We got more range here, and everything we talked about on the weekly time frame is showing. If we close below here on Friday, oh man. Let's take a look at this rejection on the monthly time frame. Look at that. Just predictable, chat. We've been following and tracking gold here for a couple weeks as we've entered these all-time highs. And what do you know? We never broke this high. We filled this wick. Remember I told you guys on it was like the 6th or the 7th of the month that this candle had done its job when it comes to filling the wick. But remember, it had very little bottom wick on this candle. Some of you guys remember us talking about this. And we were expecting a rejection right at these levels here, and for us to create a steeper bottom wick. And look at that, man. Just look at it. Just look at it, chat. Would you look at it? Hey, we got some new music here. Okay. Oh. Just look at that monthly time frame. Just look at it. Just look at it.
This is the #1.
Just look. I should say monthly time frame, right? Just look at it.
Yo, look at that. Yeah, you gotta look at it. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, right. Because he had to look at it first.
Just look at it.
Yeah, because he had to look at it. Because he had to look at that.
You know what the judge did?
He probably told you to look at it.
Postponed
Oh,
the
son of a!
case.
He probably had to look at it and say, "Look at
And
that."
I asked him the
Yeah.
second time I went.
And then he,
See,
yeah.
I figured I was just going to get off.
And then he said,
The
"Look
judge
at it."
told
Right.
me-
Just look at it,
Look at
chat.
that.
Just look
I
at
asked
it.
him- I asked the cop, where
Yeah.
were you the last time? He
The last time he said, "Look at this."
Look at
my
this.
guess is
He
I-
probably did that.
he
Oh, would you
didn't
look
do
at
it.
this?
Would you
Oh,
look
would you
at it?
look at that?
More of his
Would you look at that? What an idiot. Would you look at this? Oh, look at that.
Next day I go,
Look at that. Look at this.
I'd have to drill it out. I've tried getting under here.
Oh, would you look at that? You got under? Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Just look at it.
Look at that.
You can't do it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look at
see,
that.
And if you tell that to the cop,
Look at that.
they're not going to give you any consideration.
Oh, look at that. You got to look at it this way, okay? You just got to look at it. That's all you can do anymore.
Yeah, I looked at it as right, and I see, you know.
He finally looked at it. Oh man, too funny.
Not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well-
What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. You got me running all around the car.
Yeah, the only.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah.
Look at this. You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know
Would you
what I
look
mean?
at it?
Oh, would you look
Yo.
at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah,
Hey,
there's a few more.
Remind me, I gotta tell Sam we need to look at it. We need that along with Bruce Buffer here. Oh, would you look at that? Just look at it, man. Just look at this. Look at it. Oh man. We're gonna break the lows here too on the monthly. I can smell it. Just look at it, Uncle Scalp. Stop. Just look.
Just look at it.
Yo, that guy's a trip. Oh yeah, Sam's still here in the chat. I forgot. Sam, we need to get Mr. Would you look at it? I got my wife saying, would you look at it? Whoa! We're walking around the house saying, look at it. Yup. Facts. Hey, we got some new music vibes here. You guys hear this one? We got another. Oh, this one's only an hour. What do we do for W's? And a little. And that's it. Smooth sailing. Let's see here. Can you recommend Raja's broker? I have an account with them, but I never really used them. So I think it's pretty good though. Just reread that and noticed how it sounded. Where did I get that Excel sheet? Oh yeah, so Scott put the Discord link in the chat here. So if you come into our Discord, by the way, free Discord, you come in here, you come up to the announcement section right here in general discussion, slide up, and it's right here, So all you gotta do is click on that and come over here to file. Once it opens up, you're gonna see my positions here. So you're gonna have to go to file, make a copy, and then you'll be able to write in that yourself. Cool. Let's see, we got some new friends here in the Discord today. Oh, nice. Yeah, Discord's growing like crazy, man. Every day we got a lot of people coming in here. Wow, yeah, look at the other day, man. We got, holy, May 15th. What happened then? Look at all these people that joined. Wow. Yeah, our Discord is rocking, man. Rocking. What do we got going on here? Oh, look what I found at my parents' house when I was back in California. The OG magic keys. Hey, yo. Yeah, if you guys need magic keys, by the way, I have an affiliate link here. So you guys could click here, purchase the magic keys. I think you guys get a discount. I'm not 100% sure. But you guys can order magic keys right here. If you need help installing it, there's another video right there for you. Yeah. Cool. Let's see what. Antique, yeah, hold on to this. It might be worth something soon. It's like 3 years old. Yeah, nice. Oh, what's going on here? So 1 hour candle closed up. Let's take a look. Yeah, it becomes a bit sketchy at this point. So I'm done for the day here. I'm not gonna be taking any more trades. I am all good here for today. But you may start to see a push up depending on how this news comes out. Let me see here. Yeah, you may see a push up here with news coming out. So I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. That was a great, that was one of my favorite sessions so far. That was a good time. So what we'll do is we'll be back here tomorrow morning for Friday to finish up the week here. So we've been rolling pretty good this week. Let's get let's end it off pretty nicely, and go out this weekend and do some amazing things for some amazing people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one thing I encourage you guys to do today is find someone that you could fill a need. Find someone out there, whether they're homeless, maybe they're a friend, maybe they're just some random person out there that may just need a bottle of water. You guys ever been thirsty? You know, really thirsty? Some homeless people are out there, they have no water. So just a bottle of water would help them out. So if you guys can, for me, go out there and help somebody out today. Just do one act of kindness, and I think that'll be good for today. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.
And a big thing, today is Global Accessibility Day today.
Oh.
And you can download an app called Be My Eyes, and you help blind people. That's one way of helping out here.
Oh, there you go. Yeah,
Easy and something to do from your home, and you just help them out.
There you go. Yeah, hey, chat, can you promise me you're gonna go out, even if it's $1, even if you just hand $1 out today? It could help somebody out, man, it really can. How long did it take you to get your head on straight and follow your plan? 2 years. Strategy and pairs, 2 years, yep. I'll have another clip for this week. Oh, Sam's gonna have another clip here for us this week, perfect. Great job today. Any possibility for an uptrend? Yes, high probability for that, but not gonna be taking those. But all right, chat. Zoom, love you guys. YouTube land, love y'all, man. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. All right.
See you tomorrow.
See y'all tomorrow.
Scott, Green, all the mods, appreciate you guys, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Later.